Hi everyone, I'm Miss Olivia and this is Izzy, and we are going to be showing you today some tips, tools, and tricks how to do your hair and makeup. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a high ponytail. So first, I'm going to start off with getting your hair a little bit wet. It is easiest if you actually do your hair when you get right out of the shower. But for today, we're just improvising. Then I'm going to comb it all back. Then I'm going to use just a little bit of gel. I like to use about like a dime size. Just going to rub it in my palms. And then start right at the front of the hairline and just scoop it back. Scoop it back. Get the underneath. Then I'm going to take my comb the gel all the way through. Then I'm going to start pulling it in. So you're going to start just by taking it to the mid section of the hair, just so you can make sure that the bottom is all the way even and smooth going up as well. Then you're going to start combing up. Next step, you're just going to straighten. I'm just going to section her hair. She has nice and straight hair already, so we won't do too much. Last step, we're going to use hairspray. Aquanet is my favorite. I'm just going to spray. Use your awesome toothbrush. The stiffer the bristles, the better on the toothbrush.